Here is a very easy and comforting sweet potato and chicken soup recipe. This recipe is quick, especially if you use already cooked chicken, like rotisserie chicken. Here is a very easy and comforting sweet potato and chicken soup recipe. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 25-30 minutes. Servings, 4. Ingredients, 1 Tbsp olive oil or butter, 1 medium onion, diced 2 celery stalks, diced 2 carrots, peeled and diced, optional for extra flavor, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 large sweet potato, about 12 Oz, peeled and cut into 1 2-inch dice, 4 cups chicken broth or stock, 1/2 tsp dried thyme or Italian seasoning, 2 cups cooked chicken, shredded or diced, rotisserie chicken works great, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, 1/2 cup fresh baby spinach, a squeeze of lemon juice, or fresh parsley for garnish. Sauté aromatics. Heat the oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the onion, celery, and carrots if using. Cook, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add garlic and spices. Stir in the minced garlic and dried thyme, or Italian seasoning. Cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add sweet potato and broth. Add the diced sweet potato and chicken broth to the pot. Simmer. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook, stirring occasionally until the sweet potatoes are tender when pierced with a fork, about 12-15 minutes. Finish the soup. Stir in the cooked chicken. If using spinach, stir it in now until it wilts, about 1 to 2 minutes. Season and serve. Taste the soup and season generously with salt and pepper. Add a small squeeze of lemon juice for brightness if desired. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley if you like. Tip: cutting the sweet potato into smaller uniform pieces helps them cook faster and more evenly.